बोले थे कल प्रिपेयर करने के लिए क्वेश्चन आंसर प्रिपेयर किए हो ना डीप स्टोरी से?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, वेयर डिड अनिल मीट हरि सिंह? बताओ सत्यम, वेयर डिड अनिल मीट हरि सिंह? My first question is, बताओ सत्यम, किस जगह मिला अनिल हरि सिंह को? हेलो हेलो सत्यम, you haven't revised? हेलो, ओके, आदित्य अनुग्रह, आंसर, where did Anil meet Hari Singh? किसी को नहीं आता? प्राची
मैम आता है?
बोलो।
मैम wrestling field.
ओके, करेक्ट, at the wrestling
field.
Okay. What condition did Anil lay before? What condition did Anil lay before employing Hari Singh? क्या शर्त रखा उसको काम पे रखने से पहले? उसको काम पे रखने से पहले क्या शर्त रखा?
I will not pay for your work or serve.
Okay.
Ma'am, he said he can only feed him.
And what else? He said that he will only feed.
Only
Feed if he will only. What condition did Anil lay before employing Hari Singh? Ayush, answer. Ayush.
Ma'am, he said he cannot pay him, only he can feed him.
He cannot pay him, only he can feed him. और एक शर्त था, खाना भी मुफ्त में वो नहीं देता। और क्या बोला था उसने?
if you cook for me, then I will feed you.
Cannot pay. If he cooks, he will feed. So then next question is, what was Anil's profession?
Writing for magazine. He was a writer.
Ma'am, Anil was a struggling writer.
Yes, struggling writer. So, what kind of meal did Hari Singh cook? What kind of meal? पहली बार खाना बनाया, कैसा खाना बनाया?
Poor.
He cooks really bad.
What kind of meal did Hari Singh cook at first, for the first time? पहली बार बताओ।
Very bad.
It tasted very bad.
Horrible. इतना, it was
Horrible.
just horrible. And what did Anil do with the food that he cooked the first time?
He just gave the food to the
Give
dog.
to
Give the
dogs.
straight food. Stray dogs,
Gave
sorry.
the food to the stray dogs. Okay. Then what kind of person was Anil? Hmm?
Anil was a kind person.
Careless.
Few adjectives.
Careless or
Few adjectives. Kind. फिर helpful,
Helpful.
careless, negative word भी एक use कर सकते हैं. Easy going, what advantage was Hari Singh getting at Anil's house?
that Anil was a careless person.
नहीं, advantage क्या मिल रहा था उसको? उसको कुछ advantage खाना मिल रहा था, पैसा तो नहीं मिल.
Ma'am, Anil started teaching him how to write and how to read.
Yes, he was getting education. This was the advantage. Getting education.
Education.
Okay, then how did Hari Singh manage to save some money at Anil's house? पैसा तो सैलरी उसको नहीं मिल रहा था, लेकिन कुछ पैसे वो बचा रहा था.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, when Honey Singh brought groceries, he just used to save 10 paise from that money.
Saved money from saved money from groceries. Then what did Anil get all of a sudden one day?
A bundle of notes.
Notes.
A bundle of notes. Okay. Where did Anil put the money?
Under the
Under his
mattress.
pillow.
Where did Anil put the money?
Under his mattress.
mattress.
Yes, correct. Under the mattress.
Mattress.
Okay. Then what plan did Hari Singh make when he saw the money? What plan? What plan did Hari Singh make after seeing the money?
Ma'am, Hari Singh planned for stealing money.
For stealing money, stealing nahi.
Yes, ma'am, stealing money.
Hari Singh made a plan to steal the money. Steal the money. Then how did Hari Singh plan to escape? How did Hari Singh plan to escape? कैसे वो भागना चाहा वहां से? Yes.
By Lucknow Express.
Yes, by catching the Lucknow Express. By catching, then express में ही छूट गया. Okay, then what happened at the railway station? What happened at the railway station? Only few students are answering. Others, बताओ, what happened at the railway station?
He do not buy the ticket.
Okay,
He felt bad for Anil
he felt bad for
and he leave the train.
Hari Singh felt guilty for his work and he didn't buy the ticket.
नहीं, टिकट गिल्टी था इसलिए नहीं टिकट नहीं खरीदा. टिकट खरीदने का उसको आदत ही नहीं था. It's mentioned in the story that he had never bought a ticket in his life. He was a thief, so he was very dishonest. He never purchased tickets, and he was feeling. What was the reason? It's not given, but somehow he missed the train. If he could have made an effort, he would have caught the train. So if he would have missed the if he would have tried his best, he would have caught the train. But what happened, he even doesn't know. He missed the train because the speed of the train was very slow at the station. If he had made an effort, he would have caught the train, easily boarded. But somehow he missed the train. Then, huh? I will give you a few words. उसका मीनिंग बताना है. 3-4 मिनट देंगे, सोच के रखो और फिर I will give you the words. You have to think of the meanings and then I will ask you after 2 or 3 minutes. Is it clear? You find out the meanings. I will ask after 3 or 4 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Okay? Okay. Hello? Hello, you can hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, जिज्ञासा, सारिका, यही लोग आंसर देती है. आदित्य, अनुग्रह, चलो, टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ क्वियर. आदित्य, नाम तो दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
आदित्य, अनुग्रह. I gave you time also to find out if you have not prepared.
Ma'am, strange.
Yes, very good. Strange. Queer means strange. There are also other synonyms of queer. Can you tell anyone? Weird. Have you heard of the word weird?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That also means strange. Then bizarre. 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 That also means strange. So you can have many synonyms. Weird, bizarre. Then appealing. Appealing means what?
Attractive.
Attractive.
Yes, attractive. Anil, Hari Singh smiled in an appealing way. एकदम अपना सुंदर सा मुस्कुराहट दिया. Because he wanted to trap Anil in his plan. Because Hari Singh wanted to trap Anil in his plan, he gave him his most attractive smile, appealing. Then preening. This word is from that two stories about flying. The seagull was preening the feathers. Preening means what?
Ma'am, cleaning his feather.
Cleaning. Yes, cleaning you can. Then upbraiding. The seagull's parents
Angrily.
were huh?
Angrily or forcefully.
नहीं, angrily नहीं. Scolding. Scolding. जब बार बार कहने पे she did not make an attempt to fly, then the seagull's parents started upbraiding her. Scolding. Brink. Brink means what?
Edge.
Ma'am, edge.
Yes, very good. The glass is filled till the edge. EDGE, till the edge. Then flattery, this is a common word.
False praise.
False praise.
Buttering.
False praise.
Buttering is a colloquial word, but you can't write buttering. You have to write false praise. Informally, you can say buttering, but when you write, you have to use the word false praise. So this is a long answer. Who will answer it? What were the thoughts in Hari Singh's mind after he missed the Lucknow Express? क्या सोच रहा था? What kind of regrets he had? 2 or 3 points you say?
Hari Singh's thought is full of about Anil. He thought that if he don't steal his money, he may give some pesos to Hari Singh for seeing cinema.
Oh, okay.
And he thought that Hari Singh is a careless person, but he is good, kind.
Yes, he felt a lot of remorse and regret. Remorse also means pachtawa. Remorse and regret was there because if Hari Singh, if Anil was a bad person, then he wouldn't have felt the regret. Lekin it also happens in life. If you cheat a good person, you feel more bad, isn't it? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
If you cheat an evil person, you don't feel that much bad. But if you cheat a good person, your conscience really tells you that it is not right. So same was the thing with Hari Singh. Yeah, Anil was such a kind, genuine, gentle person, and he just cheated him. So he was feeling regretful, and what was the one main reason why he was feeling regret? In what way was leaving Anil's house a personal loss to him? पैसा तो थोड़ा बहुत मिल गया, but
He Anil will give him the education.
yes,
Uh,
right, Prachi. Yes, good. Anil was giving education to him. He was teaching him to read and write, and that would probably give him a chance to lead a respectable life. So after stealing the money, what kind of life he planned to live? ये बताओ, short type में ही है ये. After
luxurious.
luxurious, like an mentioned the story में, like a
Lavish life.
lavish life, like an oil-rich Arab. That is mentioned in the story. He planned life like a rich Arab. Then how? So yesterday I had asked this question. So how was the pilot of the Dakota saved? बताओ, जिज्ञासा.
Yes,
Ma'am, the
ma'am.
pilot was the Dakota saved by the black aeroplane, which helped him to land safely.
Jigyasa, you answer.
By following the black aeroplane.
Yes, by following the black aeroplane which had no lights on its wings. Yes, correct. Okay. So you have to learn the word meanings also for tomorrow's test. You learn the word meanings also and question answers. The pattern is the same as you had in your previous week's test. 10 marks. 10 marks question you will get. 4 marks short type and 6 marks long type. So now we'll revise prepositions. थोड़ा grammar का revision कर लेते हैं. So the sentences are visible on your screen. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. In literature, we are much ahead, I think, because 100 Dresses Part 2, that is the last chapter, and a few poems are left. So we can do grammar and writing and other practice, revision, these things. So, you know what is a preposition? What is the definition? You have read in your earlier classes definition of preposition. It is a word that shows the relation of a noun or pronoun to some other word. Preposition is a word that shows relation of a noun to some other word. Like the book is on the table. On is the word which shows the relation between the book and the table. She's sitting beside me. Beside is the word which shows the relation between her and you. So it shows the relation between two words in a sentence. So here you have to fill in the blanks with prepositions. My parents got married dash
On,
12th of August.
on, ma'am.
Yes,
On.
very good. Before dates you write on, and before year what you use? If
In.
before year you use in. Then Mike usually plays tennis dash we huh?
Ma'am, on weekends.
On weekends. Yes, very good. Why only Ayush is answering? Others also answer. These are simple things. I will see you dash lunchtime.
In.
हाँ
In.
ड्यूरिंग भी हो सकता है, लंच
In.
के दौरान, या इन
Yes, ma'am.
भी हो सकता है. There are some words in you which you can have more than one preposition. Like she is sitting dash me. You can have near. You can have beside.
Beside.
You can have behind. You can have in front. So there are some blanks in which you can. Then in the fourth, I was born dash 1970.
In.
Oh,
In.
in.
I was born in.
Don't get confused. For years you always use in. किसी भी particular year का नाम दिया हुआ तो हमेशा in use करना है, और date के पहले on, और time के पहले at. At 8 p.m. Then pizza is famous
For.
It's for its leaning tower.
common what? For. Then we are not we are not keen at visiting the churches in the city. You know the meaning of keen? Do you know the meaning?
No.
You know the meaning of keen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Means eager, utsuk. What will you use? This is little bit different. Not
Ma'am, in visiting.
keen on hoga. I'm not keen on visiting all the churches in the city. Then number 7.
I am sorry
And
for
for.
being late.
For, ma'am.
For
तो एक नया कोई आंसर किया. I'm happy. I'm sorry for being late. I want
ma'am, for होगा.
for ही होगा. I want everyone to be active. Because I'm also making effort, so you also have to cooperate. I find out exercises, then he stayed there dash
For.
Ma'am, for 3 weeks.
For 3 weeks.
For
For
3
3
weeks.
weeks.
he stayed there for 3 weeks. Brighton is on the south coast.
Of.
Of.
Yes.
Off, ma'am.
Of Howard is not very far. Common
To.
बताओ. Not very
To.
Part 2.
नहीं, part 2 नहीं.
From.
Yes.
From.
From.
We are going to Spain.
In March.
In March.
Yes.
In March.
Then she was surprised.
On.
नहीं.
To see. She was surprised to see how cheap.
To see क्या बोली?
On.
Surprised के बाद जो blank है उसमें to see.
I
नहीं,
was
to see is not
surprised
a
how
see
cheap
is
the
not a
clothes are.
preposition. No, you have to fill a preposition. To see becomes a verb, infinitive. Surprised at, suitable नहीं लग रहा. Surprised at, she was surprised at how cheap the clothes are. At
मैम that हो सकता है.
that is not a preposition. That हो सकता है, लेकिन यहाँ हमको preposition भरना है. अगर
This one.
if you have
Yes, ma'am.
here it is mentioned that is a connector. You use that to join sentences. So, is he aware dash how long we have to stay here?
Yes, ma'am. We will have to say.
Is he aware? Come on.
Ma'am,
make
as
an attempt. कोई punishment नहीं मिल रहा है गलत आंसर देने के लिए. So you have.
ma'am, as
हाँ?
As.
Is he aware as how long? As is not suitable. Is he aware of? Is he aware of?
Of.
Is he aware of how long we'll have to stay here? Is he aware of how long we'll have to stay here? Okay. Now it's almost time. चलो 2-3 बना ले. So best of luck for your tomorrow's test. You
Thank you, ma'am.
you appear for your
Thank
test
you.
honestly.
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you keep your book beside.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
नहीं ना. You are in class
No,
10th,
ma'am.
all of you. Be honest. Okay. Impressed. Impressed. क्या होगा?
By
with
एक पहला वर्ड
With.
दिए हैं उससे क्लू मिलेगा तुम लोग को.
ma'am,
Was.
With
with
was
With,
is
with.
the preposition. Was is
With,
not
ma'am,
the
with.
preposition.
yes, ma'am. With होगा तो.
We are really impressed with the guided tour. Impressed with her performance. Impressed
Yes,
with her result.
The terminal is similar.
The carnival is similar.
Of
On.
Similar.
On.
थोड़ा और सोचो.
By the one in Rio.
By नहीं है.
Similar.
carnival is similar.
My dress is similar dash yours. My dress
To.
is similar. हाँ देखो आया ना आंसर. You have to exercise your brains a little bit. If you want good grade, never shout.
At
Okay. Very good. At. My parents got married. Year.
In.
अब
In.
कोई डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए. ईयर है तो इन होना चाहिए और डेट है तो ऑन. देन द पुलिस स्टेशन इज
in
नहीं
In the right.
टू द राइट.
On the right.
on in
To the right.
राइट.
To the right.
टू द राइट. वी आर गोइंग.
To.
चलो 20 कर लेते हैं उसके बाद क्लास एंड कर.
yes, ma'am.
We borrowed the bike. Then we'll
From
From.
From our uncle.
From. Yes, very good. Aditya answer किए हो. Yes, good. So revise for tomorrow's test, all of you. ठीक है. Bye.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, all of you.
Thank
Bye,
you,
ma'am.
Bye.